Now we see what are the different kind of production strategies in production planning. There are two kind of production strategies works in the production planning module. The first one is we call it make to order scenario. Second, we call it make to stock scenario. I'll give example of a industry. A company will start producing only after getting a sales order from the customer is considered as a make to order company because they will start production after getting confirmed sales order from the market. They won't produce anything without sales order. So this is a make to order scenario. Second company is a company which will keep producing, and after production completion they'll search the potential buyer for the in the market. So this is a basic difference between these two companies. Here, for a make to stock scenario, I give example of a company. Suppose our laptop. Laptop companies are the all the electronic goods companies are working on the make to stock scenario. They first produce. They just assume that okay, I'll be able to sell this number of laptop in the market. On basis of that, they create one tentative plan and they start producing. And after production, they dispatch the material. The second scenario, the make to stock scenario, where suppose you want some customized Jaguar or some Mercedes, so kind of car. So in that case, the company will start producing the customized car after your sales order. Many companies are working on both the scenario, and many are working on make to stock scenario. This is one flow of make to order scenario. In this process, you create a sales order in SD. So here the sales and distribution module is linked with my production planning module. And after that, the requirement of my finished product will be transferred to my production department. That is my PP module. On basis of a final product requirement, production people will check their stock and order their raw material, and they'll procure raw material from the market. So it means here the MM module link up, and after the production, the costing will take place. So the costing will be captured under the controlling module. The CO module is linked here, and after that, it will be dispatched. See here in SD part, the left side window, order received. After receiving the order, MRP, the material requirement planning will be done. What quantity and on what date I want the material. After production will start, and goods receipt will be taken at your storage location. After this will be a sales order stock, because this material is specifically produced for X or Y customers. So it will be my sales order stock, and after on sales receiving the sales order stock, material will be delivered. Material will be delivered. Here my inventory will be increased. My production inventory, the finished product inventory will be increased, and it will be delivered to my customer, and I need to issue the material from my SAP. So it will reduce my inventory. Here, see, this reduces the sales order stock, and after the billing, my invoicing and all that. So this is one scenario for make to order. Now we'll see how the make to stock works. Here, the first step is create plant independent requirement. The meaning of plant independent requirement is that we have fixed some target based on our market survey that okay, we will be able to sell this much quantity in the coming months. So the tentative figure is we call the plant independent requirement. On basis of plant independent requirement, the material requirement planning will be done. If we have enough component in our stock, then we'll start producing. If we don't have, If we don't have, then we'll go and procure the component from market, and after the finished product is produced. And the last step, fifth one, the customer will place an order. So this is a basic difference between the make to order and make to stock scenario. That in make to order scenario, process will start from sales order, your customer order, while in make to stock scenario, your process will end on customer order. So in first one, make to order, the first step will be my sales order, and in make to stock, my last step will be receiving the sales order and dispatch the quantity to the customer.